Welcome to the 48th EARIE conference taking place here in Bergen 2021. I'm Professor Øyvind Nielsen, and I would like to say a few words about next year's EARIE conference. Before that, I would like to say that I hope you are all well, despite the corona situation. NHH, the Norwegian School of Economics, together with the University of Bergen, is hosting the EARIE conference 27th to the 29th of August 2021. The conference takes place here at NHH, which is a modern campus with smaller group rooms for the parallel sessions, but also larger plenary rooms for the invited speakers. NHH is one of the leading business schools in Europe. We have in total 3,500 students in Bachelor program, Master program, and PhD program. University of Bergen is the second largest university in Norway. The university has 17,000 students, covering also Bachelor, Master, and PhD programs in all fields. We have a very active local network doing industrial economics. Together with the university, Norwegian School of Economics has also formed the BECCLE Center, Bergen Center for Competition, Law and Economics. Here in Bergen, we also find the Norwegian Competition Authority. The scientific committee is led by Elisabetta Iosa from the University of Rome. Together with the rest of the scientific committee, she is now putting together a very interesting program consisting of plenary sessions, invited speakers, and also parallel sessions where you will present your paper. We in the local organizing committee, we are really looking forward to see you all here in Bergen. It will be possible to submit your paper from February until mid-March next year. And you will find all information that you need on our conference website. Still, please do not hesitate to contact us whether you have any questions related to our nice conference or related to Bergen as a tourist place. I hope to see you all in Bergen next year.